In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Chrysler LHS key fob. This key fob was used on LHSs between 1998 and 2001 and takes two CR2016 batteries. It's super easy to change the batteries yourself at home. You do not need to pay anyone to do it. Just go ahead and get yourself two of these batteries. You can get them online for just a couple of bucks. I have left a link in the description to get them on Amazon for the cheapest price, and then you can just go ahead and follow along. Right here we have on the side of the key fob this little slot, little opening that we can put a flathead screwdriver in to open the device up. Just going to insert it into that slot and twist until you feel these two halves start to separate, and then you can just insert it into that seam, continue twisting until you can just pull it apart with your fingers like that. Now you can use a flathead screwdriver, maybe a smaller one like this. I like to just use my fingernail. Just there are two batteries stacked on top right here, so we're just going to get under the first one and just lift up, okay, and you'll be able to remove it from there. Or take a flathead screwdriver, careful not to damage this metal component here. Just push it under that first battery if you can. There we go. And once you start to get it out, you push and it'll pop right out. The other one, I find the easiest thing to do is to push down on one side. You can see the other side comes up, and then fingernail, flathead screwdriver, whatever you want, you just lift a little bit and it comes flying out like that. Go ahead and take two new CR2016 batteries. Make sure this positive side with all the information goes face up. Click in the first battery. Number two, face up, right on top. Click it into place. Super easy. That's all it takes, guys. Just click this thing back together and you are good to go. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give us a like or leave a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries for any of your key fobs from any maker model, check out the rest of our videos on YouTube or go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.